How's it going, guys? Yomitash here, back with another video, and it's the 1st of April today, and you know what that means. April Fools, and you're sure that the jailbreak community will bring you something to enjoy the 1st of April. So Anemone has done that for us today, and comes in the form of Johnny Ives. So it replaces some of your icons on your iOS device with the picture of Johnny Ives, and it's pretty funny and pretty cool as well. So there you have it for my iBooks. It's Johnny Ives, but it's not just one. There's a lot more. So Instagram is Johnny Ives, Google Maps is Johnny Ives, Clash Royale is also Johnny Ives, and it doesn't stop there. I think I have two more. So Flipmaster is Johnny Ives, and Rocket League, which is my Rocket League tracker, is also Johnny Ives. So that's pretty cool. And I'm also sure that Eclipse also has one, but I think it's because I have both of them together, it doesn't work. So Eclipse flips over the icons. Anyway, that's really cool from the Jailbreak Society or the Jailbreak community. And if you'd like to get these modifications, just head over to Cydia and make sure you update your tweaks, so which is probably just Anemone and Eclipse X, and you'll get the April Fool's tweaks. And that's it for me. Have a good 1st of April. Yomitash signing out. Peace.